If you have Gemini Advanced, you now have something new called Gemini Gems. Here are some things you can do with Gems. You can create specialized experts. You can tailor them to your goals. You can have them do automated tasks. The feature is currently available for Gemini Advanced business and enterprise users. It's important to note that gems in Google Gemini are distinct from the birthstones associated with the astrological sign Gemini. Just thought you might want to know that little fact. So let's take a look at what gems are. First of all, you need to set one up. And the way to do that is on the right-hand side, you'll see something that says Gems. And by default, you have one that's called Brainstormer and Gem Manager. It's the manager you want if you want to create a new gem. So let's hit Gem Manager and let's do New Gem. You'll notice the first thing, you need to give it a name. I'm going to call this one Senior Advisor. And next, you'll have to give it some instructions. And my instructions are simple. Create a gem that is an expert in senior matters. The senior matters should include health, social security matters, security, privacy, investment advice, cybersecurity, and general senior matters. Next, we're going to test the gem. Enter a prompt to see how your gem works in the preview window. So let's enter a simple prompt. How do I reach my local Social Security office? And let's send that and see what we get. And it says there is no Social Security office in Meadow Lake. That's correct. Closest ones are in Albuquerque and Rio Rancho. So it works. It can give me the information I'm looking for. You'll notice quite detailed with where it's located, maps, the website. So that prompt will work as I expect. To save it so I can access that same prompt again, save it. Gem Senior Advisor has been created. Anytime I want some information pertaining to seniors on all those things that I included in what I wanted to do, should now be easy to answer just using my Senior Advisor gem. Give it a try if you have Gemini Advanced. See what you come up with. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.